Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Reasoning. Chapter number 19 and the name of the chapter is Time. This is our lecture number 5. So beta, today we will learn about ordinal numbers of month's name. Okay. Ordinal numbers means जो months name होते हैं बेटा वो कौन से order में होते हैं वो आज हम learn करेंगे. Okay. So first month of the year is January. January, January, and January is the first month. First, first, month, month. January is the first month of a year. Okay. Number 2 is February. February, February, and February is the second month of the year. Second, second, month, month. Okay. Now third one is March. March. So March is the third month of a year. These are the ordinal numbers. Okay. Third, third, month, month. Now fourth is April. April, April. So April is the fourth month. So what is the spelling? Fourth, fourth, month, month. Now the next is fifth month, May. May. May is the fifth month. And what is the spelling of fifth? Fifth, month, fifth month. Okay. Now the next one is June. June, June. And June is the sixth month of a year. Sixth, sixth, month, sixth month. Now the next one is July. July. And July is the seventh month of a year. Seventh, month. So July is the seventh month of a year. Now August. 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 And August is the eighth month. So what is the spelling? Eighth. Eighth month. Month. Now the next one is September. And September, spelling of September is September. September. And September is the ninth month of a year. And what is the spelling of ninth? That is ninth, nine, month. Okay, ninth month. Now the next one is October. October. And October is the 10th month. Tenth, 10th, month, 10th month. Now the next one is November. November. And November is the 11th month of a year. 11th, 11th, month. And the next one is December, 12th month. December, 12th, December. And December is the 12th month. Twelfth, 12th month. Okay, beta, you need to learn the spellings of these ordinal numbers. Okay. Now we will learn its examples. Okay. So here in example number 1, it is given that sixth month of a year is dash. Here we have 4 options: A. December, B. June, C. July, and D. April. So how we can find out the sixth month of a year? First of all, open your 6 fingers because we want to know the sixth month. Okay, so open your 6 fingers and starting from January, because January is the first month of a year, we will count the sixth month. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June. So here June is the sixth month of a year. Okay, so what is our answer? That is option number B is correct. Okay, June. Understood? Now example number 2. 11th month of a year is dash. So here again we have four options: A September, B November, C July, and D October. So again we have to open 11 fingers. Now we will start again from January month. Okay, so let's start January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So here November is the 11th month of a year. Okay, so again it is given in option number B. So our answer is option number B is correct, November. Okay, and beta, today we will also learn about which month comes after or before the given month. What do you mean by it? Here beta, it means that कि कौन सा मंथ गिवन मंथ की जो मंथ हमें दिया हुआ है उससे पहले आता है. बिफोर मीन्स पहले एंड आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में. ओके, सो लेट्स डू दीज टाइप ऑफ सम्स विद एग्जांपल्स. So here in example number 3, it is given month that comes after March is dash. So to solve these type of questions, we must know its meaning. ठीक है, इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा कि कौन सा मंथ आता है मार्च के बाद. Okay, so here we have again four options: A December, B February, C June, and D April. So here we need to start from January month. ठीक है, because afterward is given. ठीक है, तो हम मार्च के बाद वाला मंथ जो है वहां तक काउंट करेंगे. ठीक है, so let's start January, February, March, April. So मार्च के बाद कौन सा मंथ आया बेटा? That is April, and it is in option number D. Okay, so our answer is option number D is correct, April. Understood? Now example number 4. Month that comes before August is dash. So here what it means that वो month जो अगस्त से पहले आता है. Okay, so again we have four options: A September, B June, C July, and D October. Okay, so again we have to count the number of months. ठीक है, starting from January. So let's start. अब हम यहाँ पर अगस्त तक बोलेंगे. So let's start January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So beta, which month we spoke before August? That is July. Okay, so in the answer of this question is option number C is correct, July. Understood? Now today's homework. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Month that comes after May is dash. So here we have four options. In option number A, December, B, July, C, June, and D, April. So you need to fill the correct option. Okay. Now question number 2. Ninth month of a year is dash. So here options are A, October, B, June, C, July, and D, September. Okay, so you need to count the ninth month, okay, and then you have to fill. Okay, beta? Now question number 3. Month that comes before December is dash. A, November, B, February, C, January, and D, May. Now question number 4. Second month of a year is dash. Four options: A, September, B, June, C, February, and D, October. Now question number 5. Month that comes after September is dash, and options are A, January, B, October, C, June, and D, April. You need to write the correct option. Okay, beta? Now, homework solution of chapter number 19, and the name of the chapter is Time, lecture number 4. So beta, I had given you some questions. So let's start. Question number 1. The year 2028 will be dash. So here we have to write the correct option, and we have two options: A leap year, and B an ordinary year. Now we have to solve it. So here in 2028, last two digits are 28, okay, and we know that 28 comes in the table of 4, है ना? So 2028 will be a leap year. I told you earlier that if the number or the last two digits are divisible by 4, ठीक है, अगर last की two digits 4 से divisible होती हैं, then it is a leap year. So here 28 are divisible by 4, so 2028 will be a leap year. Understood? So option number A is correct. Now question number 2. The year 2021 will be dash. So again we have two options, a leap year or an ordinary year. So let's start its solution. So here in year 2021, last two digits are 21, okay, and we know that 21 not comes in the table of 4, है ना? 20 के बाद 24 आता है table 4 की table में, so 21 is not divisible by 4, okay, so 2021 will be an ordinary year, okay, so our answer is option number B is correct, an ordinary year. Now question number 3. The year 2032 will be dash. So again we have two options, a leap year and an ordinary year. Okay, so we will do its solution. So in year 2032, last two digits are 32. Okay, and we know that 32 comes in the table of 4. It means it is divisible by 4. Okay, so 2032 will be a leap year. Okay, so what is its answer? That option number A is correct, a leap year. Now question number 4. The year 2039 will be dash. So again we have two options, a leap year or an ordinary year. So again we will solve it in year 2039. Okay, last two digits are 39. Okay, and we know that 39 not comes in the table of 4. So it is not divisible by 4. Okay, so 2039 will be an ordinary year. So what is our answer? Option number B. That is correct. Now question number 5. The year 1994 was dash. जो ईयर था बेटा 1994, वो कैसा ईयर था? We have two options, a leap year or an ordinary year. Okay, so let's do its solution. In 1994, the last two digits are 94, so we will divide it by 4 to know that this is a leap year or an ordinary year. Okay, so let's start division of 94 by 4. So here we will make division sign. Okay, 94 as dividend. Okay, and 4 as divisor. Okay, so here you can see that at tens place the number is greater than divisor. So first of all we will solve this tens place. So here we will write table of 4 till we get the greater number than 9. So let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. But we cannot write 12 below 9. So we will cut 12 and we will write 8 here below 9 like this. Okay. And now at which number it comes? It is at number 2. So we will write 2 at quotient place. Okay. So now we will subtract. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we will write here 4. हम इस 4 को नीचे ले आएंगे बेटा. Okay, like this. So what is our number now? 1, 4, 14. And again we know that 14 not comes in the table of 4. So again we will write table of 4 till we get the greater number than 6, 14. Okay. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Now 16 is the greater number than 14 and we cannot write 16 below 14. So we will cut 16. Okay, and we will write 12 below 14 like this. Okay, and at which number it comes? At number 3. So here we will write 3. Now we will subtract 4 minus 2 and that is equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here you can see that 94 is not properly divisible by 4 because here remainder is 2. Okay, so it is not an ordinary, it is not a leap year, है ना? So it is an ordinary year. So here we will write that option number B is correct, an ordinary year. Understood? Thank you.